Alright, today we have a package. We have the instant Vortex air fryer, so we're gonna check it out and see how it is. God damn. Alright. At the top we have this rubber wrap. We have a get started menu. And then we have the actual air fryer. It's low-key kinda heavy, you know? Alright, let's open this and get started. Open it. Alright, so inside looks like this. We got the coals to heat the food. And then in the actual tray, we have this. Looks nice, spacious. And then we have this to actually hold food. Let's take this out. God damn, bro. We put this inside. I think it goes like this. There we go. All right. That looks about right to me. All right, let's plug it up. There we go. So it's touchscreen. We have bake, reheat, temp. We have time. We have roast, and we have air fry. So it's like a bunch of different options. This feels nice and it feels premium. Not gonna lie. So right now it's off. Keep it like that. But look, it looks good though. Not to mention, there's also an app for the air fryer too. Right here, if you go right there, the app is called Instant Connect. I'll go to my app store so I can know what it looks like and where to find it. So this is the app for the air fryer. And basically the app gives like a bunch of recipes and guides on how to use the air fryer. So right here in the app, you go right here, I'm already signed in. And then if you scroll along, it's got a bunch of other appliances too. So you connect your appliance to the app and it's filled with recipes, guides on how to make dishes, on how to make the best kind of like meals for the air fryer. Like for example, if I go to the fried avocado tacos recipe, I click on it right here. It gives me the ingredients I need for the recipe, the steps on how to make it, and what settings to put the air fryer on, which is really useful because it saves the recipes too on the app. And the whole thing is just super niche, like really helpful. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll have the link to the air fryer in the description below.